Yo, nigga, fuck the rap music. Yo, nigga, love the rap music. Yo, nigga, fuck the rock music. Yo, nigga, fuck the rap music. Yo, nigga, the records suck. Crackers are white, niggas are black. That is a fact that you gotta know knack. Yo, nigga, fuck yo, nigga, suck me. Yo, nigga, take me and then you gonna love me. Nigga, I am Randy Newman, nigga, I do Toy Story music. Nigga, you know that's pimp, nigga, you know that's hip, nigga. You know Toy Story is the best around, nigga. You know I'm gonna be best around. Yo, 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 I'm the hip to the yay, to the up, to the yay, to the bimbada, bajamba, balaba ba baba. Yo, 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 my name is Lil Wayne. No, actually not really. If I was Lil Wayne, I'd be all like, yo, yo, nigga,
I'm Lil Wayne. I'm Lil Wayne.
But no, my name is Chi, and I'm a little cat, and I like to fuck the rap music in the back. Yo, nigga, I love the higga. Yo, nigga, I love the Carter 3.
Turns out it's Michael Kovac semen. Turns out it's Michael Kovac. It's Michael Kovac. It's Michael Kovac